One of the differences people notice in the color controls panel of color mode is that there aren't any numbers exposed by default. And a common question is, where are the parameter values? And the easy answer is they are hidden in plain sight. Whenever you open up one of the HUDs to make an adjustment, the values corresponding to the two parameters or the single parameter, depending on the HUD, that are governed by this control are there for you to see. As you make an adjustment, you can see that these parameters shift around, and you get to see with 3 decimal places of precision exactly what you're doing with that particular control. And every single control has these, except for balance, but that'll be coming soon. Another question is, if I don't have any numbers, how do I know which control has been adjusted? But this is the reason for the design of each control. For example, if we zoom in here and I reset contrast, you can see that the neutral state is pretty neutral. Everything's balanced. But if I undo back to the adjustment that we made, we can see that I pushed contrast up and pivot is just a little bit off center, but it's still mostly centered. The purpose of the design of these controls is for each one of these controls to serve the same purpose as an analog dial on a clock face, making it immediately easy to see at a glance what impact that adjustment is having on the image. So for example, if we take a look at temperature, it's easy to see that temperature is set to an extremely cool setting. In fact, it's bottomed out. So each control has a different design meant to illustrate what that control does when it's set to any given adjustment. Now, another place you can see numbers is if you go up to the window menu and you open up the effect controls. And whenever you have a color effect applied to a clip, you can open up any of the operations in the list. And in this case, I can go into global and I can see the values and furthermore sliders for any particular operation. So if you absolutely positively have to copy the number, you can. However, you don't have to. Because if your goal is to copy and paste what one control is doing to the same control in another clip, you don't have to use the ECP to do that. All you need to do is right-click any control and copy. And then you can go to any other clip where you want to apply what that control was doing, and you have the option of either pasting everything that control was doing, or you can paste just one of the parameters associated with that control. So in this case, I can either choose to paste contrast or pivot. In this case, I'm going to paste both, and just like that, I've gone ahead and moved everything that that control was doing in the other clip into this clip. This is typed, so you can only copy contrast to contrast, exposure to exposure. You can't, for example, copy temperature and paste it into saturation. It wouldn't make any sense. However, there's a lot more to copy and paste. For example, just as a tip, did you know you can copy everything happening within a zone to another zone? Or you can copy every single thing that's happening within a color swatch, including sat shift, hue shift, and loom shift. You can copy all of that together and paste it as another swatch in another clip. This is why copying and pasting of numbers is less vital in color mode, because you can actually directly copy and paste controls, groups of controls, individual operations, or entire grades. And that's the subject of another video.